Hi there, I'm Sean with SciCollab. Thanks for taking the time to look at our application. I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute demo of what the proposed application that we're building and what problem we're attempting to solve. And basically the meta here is that we see a deficiency in how scientists do their research, in that they operate in these silos in very cloistered, closed off conditions. And what innovations could potentially arise if there was just a really frictionless, simple way to share, basically coalesce around this, what we're calling a virtual water cooler, and starting with the standard methods as being kind of the first thing that we solve, but a very simple way for people to come together and see who's working on what and share ideas and share basically derivatives and research and how you work. So here's just a quick example of how this might work. Let's say you're searching for the standard method for detecting E. coli in dairy products. So you'd come in here to the website and you could obviously search up here for E. coli and it would bring it up, but it just happens to be that this is one of the methods featured on the home page. So you click through it and it's going to bring up basically the details, and this is just a recipe for how to perform this testing method. So you have some instructions here, you've got some illustrations. If you need the materials that are explained in this method, you can purchase them right from there. You can leave a comment and solicit help from other people who are working on the exact same thing. And here you got some metadata about this method, how popular it is, who's actually working on it right now, who the last person to access it was, and then you can actually click through here and see the other fellow scientists who are interested and are actually following this method and developments around it. So there's a little bit of a social component here. It shows you who else is working on it, and you can go and chat with those folks and strike up a conversation. So it's really, that's in its simplest form. We're trying to simplify how, consolidate where all the standard methods are, put them in one place, make them easy to work with, and just make it easier for folks to collaborate on them. So if you think that's useful, we'd love you to go through and take our exit survey here and just provide us any feedback you can on if you feel this would be useful, and basically we'd love the right to communicate with you in the future and let you know when this is ready and live. So anyways, thanks for your time and listening, and we hope to hear from you. Cheers.